Into your food processor, add your soaked dates, then add your protein powder, coconut shreds, cocoa powder, and almond butter, and a bit of Himalayan salt, and just mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. This won't take very long as we're making quite small amount. Then go ahead and add your liquid sweetener and mix everything one more time. There you go, look at this delicious mixture. Go ahead and scoop all your mixture into your hand. You can use gloves or you can use your hands, it's really up to you. Fold this mixture in your hands and create this sausage like so, and I usually divide my dough straight away. You can measure it or you can do it by the eye, it's really up to you. And pinch off the dough and then create these mini balls. Then go ahead and roll them between your hands into nice balls just like so, and place them onto your board or into your container. That looks so gorgeous. You can also dip them in coconut if you wanted more of a coconut flavor, or enjoy them just they are. Place them in the fridge to set for a few hours and then enjoy within 1 week, or you can keep them in your freezer up to 1 month.